Atamare e te iwi ana kei te ronga koutou katoa ki tēnā te tīmatanga o te rā I roto I te tika me te pona ana ko te paimārere. Kei konei kei tōku nei taha ko tētihi o ngā manuwhiri tuārangi ka tai mai ki tā wāhi ara ko ai atu ko tētihi no te iwi whenua, te iwi take o Thailand. Ambassador, thank you again for joining us this
Thank you very much.
morning,
Yes,
I should say.
yes, good morning. Good morning to all the audience. We have a very great pleasure to attend this auspicious ceremony with you. And Thailand and New Zealand has a very long standing of relations. We are celebrating the 70 years of relations next year. And today I bring with me a lot of Thai community who are living in New Zealand for quite some time to join you on this special occasion to celebrate Her Majesty's accession to the throne. And we hope that in the future we have very close relations, and the Thailand and New Zealand will be further strengthen the relation in all fields. Thank you very much.
Thank you again, and thank you of course to your lovely delegates that have also joined you this morning.
You can interview each of them. They have experience, living in New Zealand for quite a long time. They are very quite impressive with living in New Zealand, and we, apart from New Zealand and Maori, we have a very good relation in business terms with Maori economy as well. We have invited last 2 years, I had an audience with His Majesty the late King as well, and then we discussed a lot of various fields between the two countries, including especially in the agricultural cooperation.
And of course, he also himself had a very strong connection with Thailand. He would visit annually back to your guys' beautiful whenua. So tell us, what were some of the momentous occasions that you did share with our late King that you can reflect back on?
We learned a lot from him. We had an audience with him in nearly 2 hours at the Paris, and then he gave his, advice and very wise guidance to us how to, increase our productivity in agriculture term. We realized quite well that Maori economy is, more or less based on agriculture, technology as well. So we have to learn from you.
And we also have to learn from each other as well.
Each other, yes.
So, of course, this is day 3 of the coronation of our new monarch, our new Māori Queen, Te Queen i ngā Waihono i te po. What are you looking forward to in terms of today's proceedings?
Looking
forward to in terms of today's proceedings?
We are really, honored and pleased to attend this ceremony, and we would love to see Maori traditions. It's our first time. I think most of them, their first time as well to attend this kind of special occasion. Once is their lifetime. That I would like to join you, to celebrate this special occasion.
And although the sun may not have come out yet, of course you've brought the rainbow with you with your amazing colours and amazing vibrancy. Again, thank you, Ambassador, for bringing not only your delegates. If anything, would we also, can you say please in your traditional language, good morning to the crew that is watching?
Good morning ตอนเช้าให้กับ audience
สวัสดีค่ะ
ยกมือไหว้แล้วสวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ
Tēnā koutou. Akāti rā koe nei, e tihi o ngā manu tuārangi ka tai mai ki te tautoko i te Koroneihana tuatahi o tō tātou nei ariki nui.